Hey guys, in this video I want to show you a discount code for a trading journal, Edgewonk. So Edgewonk is a very great trading journal and it's probably one of the best. It competes with trading journals like TradeZella. I think that is the biggest competitor in the market, but I think Edgewonk is a very solid and relatively cheap choice when you compare it to TradeZella, because TradeZella is a lot more expensive. And in this video, I want to show you a discount code to make it even, more cheap. So what you need to do is you need to go to TradeCity, something like that, .com/trading journal. And then you need to scroll down a bit until you see claim your special price. Use discount code TradeCity, I don't know how you pronounce it, I'm sorry, at checkout and get a special price when signing up for Edgewonk. So when you use this code, you get $15 off. So let me prove this right now. As you can see, when you go to edgewonk.com/pricing and you use the code TradeCity, you get $15 off. And of course, it is not a lot of money. It's not a big discount, but still it's $15 and you can do a lot with $15. So I hope that this video was kind of helpful. If it was helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.